Let's make our fruity millet cake. The ingredients are 90 grams of brown sugar, 3 eggs, 90 grams of millet powder, vanilla essence and 50 ml of refined oil. Start whipping the eggs and the brown sugar together. Till it forms a thick foam. Then fold in the millet flour and in the end fold in the oil. Pour the batter in 6-inch lined tin and bake it at 190 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. You can also decorate your cake with fruit preserve as well as the fresh fruits to make it more healthier.